Hey guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Okay guys, I put together this makeshift white thing back here so I could do a project share. The last video that I did with this project right here was more of a tutorial than a project share, and I needed to do a video specifically for a project share. This is for Simply Shantae, and I will put the name of the event that we're doing. I think it's Christmas 365 or Christmas 2020, something along that line. I put the official name like down up, here somewhere, so I'll make sure that to have it right. And I will link her information in the description box below, and check that too for product usage and stuff like that. But these are my projects that I'm submitting to Shantae. This first one here is my first one that I did, and I like it. I don't have any problems with it. I've used this craft cardstock because I have a lot of it. So the majority of my projects will probably be made out of the craft cardstock. And it's a craft caddy with it has 6 pockets, it has 2 pockets on each end and 4 smaller ones on the sides like that. And I just hung this little Christmas flower off of it. And with some of the scraps, I made a little small note card. And I did the same thing with this blue one. I just wanted to try something Lord. I just wanted to try something different. I used blue cardstock and a blue-ish themed paper pad or paper stack. And I don't know what it is. Do I see it? No, I don't. If I remember, I'll put the name of it somewhere in this area, and I'm sure it was one I got from Tuesday morning. And with the scraps, again, I just made a little note card. I haven't done anything to the inside. I put the little white piece in so you can write on, and probably another little strip just for decoration. I like this one better. This one has errors in it, just so you know. Like I folded this wrong because there's a score line there that you may or may not be able to see. Is it this side or this side? I think it's this side is where I had to overlap the pockets. I like this one though. Still, I like this one better because the pockets are a bit larger than on this one. You see more of the box. Here you just see the pockets. I put some decoration, I put some scraps that was left over to decorate the top of the box there, and I did not do that here, and I actually like that. This is just a paper clip that was made from ribbon, and I like that, so I just shoved it in there just because. And this is my project for Miss Simply Shantae. Alright guys, I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, my love bugs.